Lamond and Murray were formed in 1921, making mining machinery, but they also made gears for that machinery. And when the mining industry dwindled, they focused on the manufacture of gears.
The catalyst really for becoming involved with SMAS in the first place was really to have a fresh pair of eyes looking at the business.
In my eyes, there's three processes that I always try to identify. The first process is what the stakeholders think happens in the business, closely followed by what should happen in the business. However, the most important thing that the practitioner tries to identify is what is actually happening through the business. By doing that, we can then identify what the key improvement activities for the business are.
It was a messy machine shop, and the transformation that's taken place in terms of the workshop organisation is really it's completely transformed the business in terms of having the equipment laid out in an orderly fashion. The guys have got much more of that equipment easily accessible, they've got it to hand.
The SMAS practitioner spent a lot of time with each individual in the workshop, particularly those who were less amenable to the whole process. He did it in such a way that the ideas that came from it were seen to be that individual's ideas, and the individual then implemented those ideas.
All of the practitioners have a significant amount of manufacturing experience. This is not theoretical experience, this is on the shop floor, hands-on experience. That then means those practitioners are able to work with employees across a wide range, from key stakeholders to managing directors, all the way down to shop floor operatives as well, and build the relationship and the rapport with those individuals to deliver change for that business.
It's critical, really, is to get that level of engagement in order to ensure that the good work that's been done during the project can be carried forward and it can be sustained. And I think for Lamond and Murray, I think that's been one of the key areas of success, really, is obtaining that engagement with the guys on the shop floor.
The business has changed dramatically since we started working with SMAS. There's the visual differences which everyone can see, but there are other differences as well. There's a huge improvement in the morale of the place, more engagement with employees, more willingness on the part of employees to come forward with suggestions.
We have seen a significant increase in the sales revenue over the last 2 or 3 years. So that's largely down to the ability for us to produce more through having a more efficient workforce.
We thought that we were doing things in an efficient way, but this has taken us to a different level. We've had other help from the wider Scottish Enterprise Organisation with, for example, the development of our ISO documentation, and we've also more recently obtained an RSA grant, and through that grant we've done a number of infrastructure improvements, and we've also bought 2 new key pieces of equipment which again will improve our efficiency and effectiveness going forward. I would have no hesitation in advising a company, particularly one of our size, in engaging with SMAS. The benefits that we've seen have been excellent for our company, and we hope to continue to work with them and to build on that in the months ahead.